2025 La Rose Noire is a symbol of bold luxury and artistic automotive design, representing the pinnacle of craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity. In this in-depth review, we cover every detail about the 2025 La Rose Noire, including its specifications, standout features, styling elements, interior refinement, and performance capabilities. Built to turn heads and capture attention at every angle, this limited production masterpiece is designed for those who appreciate ultra-luxury and one-of-a-kind motoring experiences. La Rose Noire takes inspiration from the timeless elegance of black roses, with a design philosophy that blends classic aesthetics with modern innovation. The exterior is sculpted with dramatic lines and curves, finished in a deep, hand-painted black shade with red undertones that shimmer subtly under different lighting conditions. The signature grille is intricate and bold, surrounded by slender LED lighting elements that flow into the contours of the fenders. The coupe-inspired silhouette features a sweeping roofline, flush door handles, and bespoke alloy wheels that further elevate its exclusivity. Under the hood, the 2025 La Rose Noire is powered by a high-performance V12 engine that delivers an incredibly refined and commanding drive. The engine produces substantial horsepower with smooth torque delivery, allowing the vehicle to glide effortlessly on the road. A specially tuned suspension system provides a cloud-like ride, while precise steering and adaptive driving modes offer superior control and flexibility for both comfort and spirited driving. The engineering excellence ensures a perfect blend of power and poise. Inside, the cabin is a true showcase of luxury. Every inch is wrapped in the finest materials including handcrafted leather, real wood trim, and metal accents, curated for both beauty and tactile richness. The dashboard features a minimalist yet high-tech design, with a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and hidden control panels that emerge with a touch. Ambient lighting, starlight headliners, and personalized embroidery elevate the sense of occasion in every journey. Rear passengers are treated to lounge-style seating, complete with massage functions, entertainment screens, and a mini champagne cooler. The La Rose Noire also integrates the latest in automotive technology. It includes advanced connectivity options, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, onboard Wi-Fi, and a premium 3D surround sound system. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, night vision, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, and a full suite of sensors ensure a safe and secure driving experience without compromising the luxurious atmosphere. With only a limited number of units produced globally, the 2025 La Rose Noire is not just a car, it's a collector's item and a piece of automotive art. For those seeking an ultra-exclusive driving experience that redefines luxury, this model delivers unmatched distinction and presence on the road. To stay updated with detailed reviews of premium, luxury, and future-focused vehicles like the 2025 La Rose Noire, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more high-quality automotive content to passionate car enthusiasts around the world. This review is presented by NB Auto Review, your trusted source for expert car reviews, in-depth feature breakdowns, and the latest in the world of automobiles.